Eleme titaju maybe na enaruwe. Eleme titaju maybe na enaruwe.
This is Eleme. Stay focused. In Eleme, no more pipeline vandalization.
No more stealing in Eleme.
We need job employment in Eleme.
In an upgraded version of Eleme, we need oneness.
No more courtesy in Eleme. No more kidnapping in Eleme.
We need good electricity in Eleme.
We need good road and hospitality in Eleme.
We need peace in Eleme. Stay focused.
Why